what's up? It's me, Taylor Sierra. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited because guess what, y'all? Today I'm going to see my man Chris Brown. I've been waiting on this day for 3 months. We bought our tickets 3 months ago. 3 months ago. And the day is finally here. So yeah, y'all, I got my hair done yesterday. Some little feed-ins or whatever. Y'all, the baby hairs is new for me, so I don't know how to feel about them. Anyways, so I'm gonna be vlogging today. I think so. I'm gonna be vlogging today. I'm actually about to start getting ready because it's 1:35, and let me tell you, the concert don't start till 7, but let me tell you why I get ready. I have to get ready because I'm riding with my friends. Well, I have to eat, hydrate. I'm riding with my friends, and we want to pregame before we go, and plus the venue, like, you have to get there in enough time or you're gonna miss the fucking show. Or not miss the show, but you're not gonna see the beginning of it. And I want to see everything from start to end, so we're gonna leave at 5. The concert starts at 7, but we still have to get to the venue, still have to park, still have to wait in line, get in. Y'all know how it goes. It's just a lot. So let me show y'all. Well, let me try to sit y'all right here, because these are my outfits, y'all. Let me show y'all the shoes I'm wearing. Oh my god, what happened to Verge? Damn, this is so serious. I'm wearing my off-white, y'all, gym shoes that I got. They're white and gray. I don't know if y'all can see. A little black on them. And the bottom is unique because it's like, I don't know how you explain it, but I'm gonna try to take a picture and put it in. But yeah, so I'm wearing these off-whites. This is trying to focus on my face. That's the problem. So I'm wearing these off-whites. And I have this one-piece jumpsuit, and the back is kind of out, you know. It's just gray. I also have this shirt right here that I got, which I'm actually gonna cut so I can tie it up, but this is the front, and on the back it says, "Don't trip over what's behind you." So this is the back. Super cute to just, you know, kind of cut and tie up, give a little show a little skin. And then I also have these shorts, which I absolutely love. I got this from Charlotte Russe. I got these from Saks. These I got from Charlotte Russe. They're on sale for $10. This shirt I got from Shein. I don't know if it was 10, 12, something like that. This romper I got from this place called Discovery. I don't know if everybody has them, but we have them here in Illinois. That was $11.99. And then I also have these pants, y'all. They are very much see-through. I'm trying to be a little fast, okay? So they're very much see-through. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these. The weather is kind of like on and off. It's really just cloudy. It was raining earlier, but it's not supposed to rain again today. And the high, I think, is like 82, 80 something. But later in the nighttime, it's gonna be like only 84. No, 74. So I'm like, I don't know. And I'm anemic, so your car gets cold. Okay, so I don't know about the romper. But these pants are see-through. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. Probably not. They see-through, so you're gonna be able to see that ass, okay? Period. Ain't mad about it. And I also bought these pasties for if I actually do decide to wear the romper, I'll be able to put this on. And the same thing with the shirt, because I'm gonna cut it and I'm not gonna have on a bra just because it's gonna look tacky. You're gonna be able to see it. We ain't doing that. So yeah, I bought these. I got these from Charlotte Russe as well. These were actually buy one get one $1. So this one was $8, this one was $4, but I got it for $1 instead. So that's what we're working with, y'all. I'm gonna show you my accessories and stuff later. I did get this little wristlet thingy also from Shein. It's giving messed up vibes, and if it is, I'ma fucking go off. A little bit it is. I'm gonna have to fix it. But I didn't want to wear like a purse or a side thingy or whatever. I really just wanted to have a wristlet. This is kind of big though, but it'll be able to fit my phone, everything I need in here, so I'm really not tripping. Okay, I'll untie that later. These nails, like, in a way. But yeah, I have this. I also have some glasses. I'm debating on if I'm gonna wear makeup. I might not. I did put on some lashes. If I do makeup, it's probably only gonna be foundation. I don't even know if it's gonna be that, because I don't want to get on the white shirt. So it really just depends on what I'm wearing. If I'm wearing that white shirt, I'm probably not gonna wear makeup because I'm at food and I'm not good with white, so I don't want to have like makeup and stuff on there, you know. That's tacky jacky. We're not doing that. And every time I wear white, I fuck it up. So I might not. I might just have to go bare face. I got on lashes, like I said. If anything, I might put on a little bit, you know, concealer here, and then kind of just bake it to give me some type of look. But overall, no. yeah, y'all, it's 1:40. I just wanted to show y'all my possible options of what we're gonna be wearing. I plan on leaving about like 3:30ish maybe, because we're leaving at 5, so I kind of want to like get over there because I'm on the opposite side of town. So I want to get over there, and then I also want to get something to drink to start, you know, pre-gaming or whatever, or to just get it and have it in the car. We don't necessarily have to drink when I get there because the concert is literally 9 to 7. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be buying drinks at the venue. So yeah, I'm just trying to decide on what I'm gonna do, y'all. Don't mind me. So yeah, those are actually options. I'm about to eat real quick, y'all. Then I'm about to get in the tub. After I get in the tub, then we're gonna start getting dressed. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Hopefully at that point it'll be like 2:30ish, so probably like an hour or something. I'm not gonna stay in the tub too long because I don't need to. I just like taking baths during the day, y'all. So therapeutic. It kind of just sets the tone for the day. So yeah, I'm gonna take a bath, eat, and we're gonna head out. It's a liquor store down the street from my homegirl house, so I really don't have to go far to get any liquor or anything. I'm not gonna be the driver, so I'll be able to drink. And it's actually my homegirl's birthday. Shout out to you, Leo season. Happy birthday, girl. Yeah, I'll probably see her later if she wants to be on camera. It's gonna be between my Gucci Guilty and Chanel Chance. I don't know which one. I think I'm actually gonna wear the Chanel Chance because it's more so like light, refreshing. It's like not too heavy or whatever the case may be. So yeah, and also I have to pack one of my friends' orders because she ordered from my website, Solar Beauty, y'all. Shout out to that. I'm going to definitely be putting that in this video. That's my business. In case you guys didn't know, it is a cosmetic business, all things beauty. I think that's it. I'm gonna have to get gas when I get out there too. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Okay,
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
okay, y'all. So first of all, y'all gonna have to excuse my room because y'all know how it is when you get dressed to go somewhere. And I just had to pack an order, and girl, a lot. Okay, but this is my outfit, so I decided to wear the shorts. Hold on, let me let some lighting in, y'all, cause okay. So again, don't judge me, y'all. I'm gonna clean up when I get back. Okay, anyways, hopefully it focuses. But I decided to wear the shirt, which I just cut a little bit as I told y'all, and tied it up. Got these shorts on from Charlotte Russe, and I do got on my off-white gym shoes, as y'all can see. They're cute, right? Boom, it's giving thick, okay? And so now I'm about to do my baby hair before I leave. Let me show y'all in the mirror. Okay, so yeah, y'all, I'm about to do my baby hairs real quick before I leave. And let me show y'all this way, cause it's like, ooh, hey y'all, yeah, I'm about to do my baby hairs real quick before we head out because I got a little messed up. And then, yeah, we gotta go. So let me hurry up because I need to go. It's almost 4. I can't explain how your love makes me weak. Yeah, look. All the way on the other side? Okay. What you said? I was lying to myself. I'm ready to get drunk. Never.
Light it up! Light this bitch up! Light this bitch up!
I'm sorry, I'm in y'all way.
Let's go! Here we go!
Say hi. Gotta put in my vlog.
I can see myself in where I feel. I want you to think just how much he ain't fly. And when you wanna sneak out in the middle of the night, baby, I'ma be, baby, please, your man.
Kendall, we had a good time, right? I'm recording.
I had a great time. One of the best shows I've ever been to.
A fucking blast. A fucking
With
blast.
Laura Beauty.
And featuring Laura Beauty of the
Period.
night, you know, don't forget it.
You ain't got nothing to get up, bitch.
Period. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I love Chris Brown so much and I love Lil Baby. I'm ready to go to the next city with them. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's dark, the lighting is crazy, but I had a fucking blast and I want to come back. Like, I wish they could just start again, you know? It was a good show. So, I'm going to talk to y'all once we get to the car because there's a lot going on.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope, chop trees with the Draco.